Hi, today I'm going to discuss the next question in the Leetcode Top Interview 150 playlist. That is length of the last word. So what this okay, so I already coded up. Let me go ahead and first remove this. So yeah, so what this question basically asks us is there is a string we are given s, for example, hello world. We have to find the length of the last word in it. That is, for example, here the last word is world. So we have to find the length of the world. That is 5 in this case. There might be other possible cases where in the end the last word maybe may have spaces after it. So first we have to remove the spaces and then actually calculate the length of the last word. So the easiest solution of this question and the most intuitive is we first go through the array. We remove the trailing right side spaces, and then we find the length of the last word. So I'm going to start from the end of the string s, remove the trailing spaces, and then calculate the length of the word. So to do that, I'll initially start iterating from the end. That is int I equals to s dot size minus 1. That is the last index of the string s. So while I am greater than I is equals to greater than 0, that is we have not reached the zeroth index of the string s, because we are starting our iteration from the rightmost end of this string s. I'm going to do if s dot I is equal to 0, sorry, not 0, space. I'm keep going to do I minus minus. That is, I will keep removing spaces from the right end. Else, if this not is the case, that is, we have now encountered a character. Instead, I'm going to break the loop. That means I now know key. I have computed for all the trailing right spaces, and there are, I'm now going to iterate through the actual last word. So I'm going to store a variable answer that is going to be our answer. So for now, I am keeping it as current I. I will show you later why I'm currently keeping it as I. Then what I'm going to do is I'm again going to start a loop with the same condition I greater than equal to 0. That is, we have not hit the first index of the string, so that we don't encounter a error when iterating through the string. If s dot I not equal to a space, that is we are still iterating through the last word. That is, for example, I have removed this. Firstly, I'm removing the spaces here after moon. Then I'm iterating moon from n, starting from n, then o, then m. Then when encounter a space, I will stop. uh, I'll do I minus minus. If not, I will break. So once I'm done with this, I could simply return answer minus I. So why answer minus I? Because I was storing the last index, or we encountered a space, and answer had that, and then we iterated again through the length of the last word. So when I do the last space minus the next space after the last word, I get the exact size of the word I'm looking for, that is the last word. So let's check if it is working fine. So yeah, it is working fine. Let's check for all the test cases. So yeah, it is working fine for all the test cases. So now let's discuss the time complexity. The worst case time complexity of this could be the last word may be the whole word. So we may need to iterate the whole string s. So that will be O of n. As for the size, space complexity, we are not using any extra space, only constant space with constant things like answer, and I. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's it. Thank you.